My name is Zoe and I'm the School Support Coordinator with ChatterHigh. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the ChatterHigh Daily Quiz. So first things first, log on to your account. Then, you will see that the daily quiz is on the left over here. The first time that you take a daily quiz, you will be prompted to fill out an initial interest survey. Fill this out to the best of your ability with your existing interests. Don't fret if you don't have an answer for each question or run out of time. You can submit it without the page fully completed. Hopefully, ChatterHigh will help build your awareness as you explore, and you can always come back to it on your interest page. To take the daily quiz, click on Start Quiz on the dashboard page, or choose the Quiz tab. Every day of the year, our site will give you 10 different informative questions to explore colleges, universities, and careers. You'll notice that it's not possible to answer a question without first doing the research. By clicking on Research, you'll be taken to the link where you can find the answer to the question. In some cases, you might need to watch a short video. So, pay attention to the hint that is in the question. You'll get 50 points for doing the research, and you'll get another 50 points if you answer the question correctly. All the points that you earned while quizzing can be used to either enter prize draws, or you can donate your points and ChatterHigh will convert them into money that will be donated to charity. Also, points automatically go towards any active daily quiz competition that could be running while you're quizzing. After questions about careers or programs of study, you'll be asked to take a short survey about your interest and awareness. Be honest with this survey, as it will influence your interest profile and the questions you will receive after you've answered 100 questions. Then, you will be taken to the next question and you can finish the remainder of your 10 questions. The quiz will remember where you left off if you want to come back to it later in the day, but reset with a new quiz at midnight PST. Happy quizzing!